What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and today we are looking at the iPhone 17 Pro Max. This is the highest offering by Apple right now, and I am so excited to try out. This is in the deep blue color and the 512 gigabyte model. So they offer a very easy way to open up the back. All you do is you lift this green tab and pull it along there. You're good to go. There's another one on the other side, which I'm not going to show you because it has my IMEI number on there and everything, but easy enough. You get the phone open and immediately you're shown this brand new style. A very, very clean aesthetic. We have the glass back here and the metal camera bump, I guess you'd say. When we pull this out, it already has a protector on it. We'll go ahead and peel this off so we can see the phone itself. Absolutely beautiful looking phone. And a really nice coloration as well. If I put this to the side, we can take a look at what else is in the box. We have a USB-C to C cable. Let's go ahead and open this up. And I do love when they use the paper packaging here because that's very good on the environment as opposed to using just a ton of plastic. So yeah, we have a USB-C to C cable here. And if we pull this last piece out, much like the M4 Mac, now they have a pill-shaped guide here. So the M4 is a circle, this one's a pill, but much more rounded corners and all their documentation. That's kind of interesting to see. And that's all that's in the box. So let's go ahead and close this up and get the phone turned on and see what the experience is like as soon as you open it. And right away, came with battery. It's already turning on. Very cool to see. And I think I want to definitely protect this phone. So I'm going to bring out some Crave cases and try them out as this turns on. So we've got a couple of them here. Let me see. This is for the Pro Max. So we've got two here for the Pro Max I can try on, as well as two for the Pro that I'll show you. Let me go ahead and open these up. Looks like the phone's already loaded in. That is a nice looking display, and it's a great size in your hand too. I can't wait to try the cameras out. But yes, let's go ahead and open one of these boxes and see what the cases are like. So this one is the dual guard for iPhone 17 Pro Max with MagSafe. Interesting. So as I take this out here, we can go ahead and drop this phone right in. And it's got a very nice layer of both soft plastic and hard plastic with some nice texturing on the back too, so that you're not going to drop it or anything. This is a really nice looking case. Very cool for option one. And it does have MagSafe built in, it seems. I didn't see the circle on the back, but let's actually confirm that. Let's get something that's MagSafe. All right, so this camera mount is MagSafe. So I'm just going to drop, yeah, it's magnetic for sure. Picked it up just fine. Very slimline. You don't see that big circle that's on like every single phone case. It's actually hidden pretty well between the two different layers. So that's really nice. I'm happy to see that. So let's go ahead and take this off. And that is case number one. Let's go ahead and look at the second case, which is the dual guard in green, like an army green color. And check this out. It has a nice teal, a greenish teal, really nice green and black buttons. That's a really nice contrast to it. Let's try it out. So I'm just going to drop it in like normal, snap on the sides. Very, very comfortable in the hands, just like the other one. Let's see, I believe this is MagSafe as well. Yep, that's MagSafe as well. And even that contrast between the blue and the green, it's actually not too bad. Especially when you look at, oh, don't look at that. That's my EID and IMEI numbers and everything. But the background is green and blue. So that mix works really well with the navy blue iPhone color. I'm excited to see that. Moving on to our other devices, we have two for the Pro, and I do have a Pro over here somewhere. This is a Max, this is a Pro. These are not iPhones. Okay, I got phones everywhere. So yeah, not this one right here. So let's pull this other case off. And let's see what these look like on it. So I'm going to go ahead and open both of these. It looks like these are both dual guards as well with MagSafe in different colors. So we've got the case in blue and black. And then this one is a berry, so kind of a dark red color scheme here. Let's go ahead and put it on and see what it looks like on the Pro. Here we go. So again, very similar texturing on both devices, whether you get the Max or the Pro. Same kind of MagSafe compatibility through the case and everything, nice and hidden. with the addition that in the back here, it has a very nice crisscross design as well. I know no one sees the inside, but I personally like when they have internal designs and everything. That's nice. But yeah, that's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching my unboxing of the iPhone Pro Max. I'm so excited to actually try this out and put it to use. Let me know if there's anything you want to know about the phone or the Crave cases. I'll put a link to these Crave cases in the description below so you can check them out. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Peace.